Stevie, did you invite a friend over? There's a capybara at my door again. It was like very first thing in the morning too. Oh, you really want to come in, huh? You can come in, it's okay. Go ahead. Well, Stevie, tell her it's okay. Good girl. Here you go, and you're not gonna go on the couch? Oh no, I left the bedroom door open. Oh, okay. All right, hold on, Cheesecake, wait. All right, you can't go on the bed. I draw the line at that. Come on, go on the couch. Okay, good girl, Cheese. Don't eat anything, okay?